Oh, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I have 11-year-old iPhone. It is here for repair for the battery replacement. Let's go to the battery. It says service, of course. It's way old, but surprisingly it's just 78%, which is very good after 11 years. So let's shut down, open the bottom screws, the 1 and 2. So both are put on the side. So just put the soft knife to lift the screen, and this screen will open upside, and here's the battery. So I will not disconnect the screen. So what I will do, I will just remove those couple of screws. You need a Phillips screwdriver to do that, and a couple of screws from the vibrator or Taptic engine. So these 4 screws you need to remove from there first, and then I need to remove the metal plate from this and disconnect the battery first, and then remove this Taptic engine. So as you can see, there is a space, there is a couple of adhesive tape. You need to pull it out and remove from the underneath the battery. So just put any kind of a screwdriver. Sometimes it will give you a hard time. So I need to push this up because the other one is broke because it's very old. So let's put some rubbing alcohol, and in the meantime I'm doing this thing and trying to get the other one if I'm able to do. Yeah, it's a little bit out, but still it has a lot of adhesive underneath that. So use this battery tool to just push it up, and now you can just put this screwdriver and just move it around, and you can easily get those battery thing out. You can see it's after this you can remove it. Sorry, it's just going out of the camera. Here you'll find the other one. The one is out and the other one is there. So let's put the screw again, spin it, and you can easily take it out. So here's the battery which I took it from there, and let's put this Taptic engine back. You need to put this couple of screw back to Taptic engine and make sure it's fully tight, otherwise you will hear weird sound from the vibration. So the one screw has done, and this is the second one. So let's bring the battery. This is a new battery I'm able to find after 11 years, this battery, and I'm actually kind of happy also because I'm doing this all iPhone. So let's connect the battery here and put it this. Perfect. So everything is connected, and this battery has adhesive tape already installed on this. So let's put this metal plate back, and this is uncut video, so it's very easy to install, but if you know how to do that. So the one screw is done. Let's put the final screw on the motherboard, and here we go. Let's try to turn on. Push the screen first. You'll hear this click sound. It is showing the charging sign because the battery, of course, is old stock from my supplier. So while it's charging, let's put this bottom screw back. And if you like that video, thumbs up, and if you want me to repair some kind of phone, so let me know in the comments. I will try to do this for you. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.